So I was on my other YouTube channel and I saw that I got 1 million views. I've now surpassed 1 million views on that channel. That channel, it's just a little over a year old. I was able to monetize it within 8 or 9 months, and I was very close to the million view mark, but I decided to change the focus of that channel. And so it's been growing a little bit slower over the last few months, but I got this message. It's at 1 million views now. And upon reflection, I wanted to share with you what were the 3 main key takeaways that allowed me to get to 1 million views. Now, keep in mind that views just for the goals of views to me is meaningless. What we want to do is increase our views so that we can get more exposure for our message, more subscribers so that we can grow our channel, and more revenue if your channel is monetized. If your channel is not monetized, then the greater views are going to help you increase your watch hours. If you're going for the long form requirement to get monetized, or if you've got a shorts channel, then obviously the greater views is going to help you to get those 10 million views within 90 days on your shorts feed. So the first thing is I'm creating videos based on trending topics, topics that are popular and that people are already searching for. Now, as a true crime channel, I've got that benefit that people are searching for breaking news, updates, different trending topics related to true crime. So I've got that on my side as far as the content for this channel. One thing I do if I want to see what's trending in my niche is I just go to the homepage and I see if there's anything in my niche that stands out to me. One thing that definitely I notice that stands out to me within the true crime genre is there's something here on Scientology and another thing here, another topic here on Scientology. Where is that? This one, Scientology. And so Scientology is an example of something that would be in the institutional manipulation area. And so there's a lot of victims and survivors of Scientology that are coming out in the anti-Scientology movement. And so that falls under a kind of like a subgenre of true crime. But that would be the one thing I would do, start with, is looking at your home feed and seeing where your trending topics. You can also do a search for, let's just type in true crime and see what comes up. And if you want to see what's trending in your niche, I would do, let's say, video. So that's going to, because I'm doing mostly long form videos so that I can monetize, that's what I would do. However, you would probably also want to filter it by, let's say, what's happened in the last week. Okay, so this one here, the killer granny, no one suspected, mystery makeup, the double murder of Amanda Colley and Lindy Dobbins, content warning, 6-year-old found in mother's trunk, Tim Ballard, teen cadets, couple throws through toddlers. Oh my gosh, this is awful. Okay, so I am not covering this type of content anymore, but you get the idea. You can see what is trending in your niche just by typing it into the search bar on YouTube. Another thing that's helped me get a lot of views is that I've become an expert in one particular case. And now I'm kind of like the go-to in true crime for this case because I'm one of the only people who's covering it. And so if I go just filtering by views, you can see here, this is Jared Lysick case. You can see here that my top viewed videos are mostly in this case. Now there are some other ones that pop up as well, but most of them are in this particular case. So is there a specific topic or theme that you're an expert in within your niche that you can create a lot of content on that topic and become that go-to in your industry or in your niche, or maybe just something that you just are really, really well versed in, and you can just be that credible voice or that expert voice, that authority in or on that topic. So the third thing is controversy. Now, within the true crime genre, there is room for a lot of viewpoints, even though typically you would think that there would be one one overarching opinion, and that's usually the case. But sometimes there's a lot of controversy, and that could incite drama. And there are some true crime channels that do thrive on the drama. That's not me. I don't like to incite drama, but I do like to cover it in a more balanced way. And yet, there's also engagement I find in my videos because there is that possibility for people from multiple sides of viewpoints to weigh in and share their comments. So here's an example of a video which I thought was a really great topic. It was during the Maui wildfires. Oprah and The Rock created a fund to donate to the victims of the wildfire. And I thought it was awesome. And I really wanted to share. I tried whenever possible to give some good news or advocacy within true crime, not just make it about all the dark, dim, really heavy topics. I tried to add some levity to it. Well, in this case, the big controversy here is that Oprah and The Rock made this video. And by the way, we're talking about a billionaire and a multimillionaire who are asking the public if they want to donate. They created a fund for that. So the controversy there is they're like, well, why are these rich people asking us, mere public people, to donate to a fund? They should be donating to the fund. Well, they actually did donate to the fund, but that whole controversy of them asking the public for funds is what drew so much attention and got a lot of negative feedback and a lot of criticism for them. And so, as an extension, because I was covering it, I got a lot of these negative comments and critiques. It wasn't necessarily directed at me, but it was directed at them, but it was on my videos. And at some point, I even needed to turn off comments because it was getting to a point where it was just very, very negative, too negative, and it wasn't even a question of discussion anymore. There wasn't any discussion going on. It was just people laying out their criticisms. And I, whenever possible, I like to say, keep it empowering on that channel. I like to keep it high level, high vibe. But the point is that engagement, the fact that people were commenting and weighing in and watching the entire video, is what allowed those videos that have controversial sides or multiple viewpoints to get large numbers of views. So if you like this video, if you learned something new, please hit the thumbs up, and you may also like this video. For more help growing your visibility and monetizing your brand, go to alexanderfigueredo.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Thank you.